area. So please take out your exercise books and your pencil and your pen so we can calculate some areas, specifically the areas of triangles. So copy down on your exercise book, the area is equal to the amount of space in a flat surface. Please copy this down, write this down. The area is the amount of space in a flat surface. So we've got a flat surface, and specifically here we have two triangles, and each triangle there is some space inside of it, within those three sides, and that will give us the area, and this can be calculated. Good. So copy this down now again. Area of a triangle is equal to a half. The symbols for a half is 1/2 times the base times the vertical height. Okay. Now vertical height now has a 90 degrees or mix, you can say mix also, with the base. So that's very important. The vertical height makes a 90 degrees with the base. So if you take a look at the triangle, the height and the base, there's a 90 degrees, a square corner, a square corner. Also between the 6 and the 10, the 15, sorry, the height and the base, there's a 90 degrees, there's a square corner. If you take a look at this diagonal and the base, this angle there is not 90 degrees, it's not square. Also, this acute angle there is not 90 degrees. This one there is not 90 degrees neither. All right, between the 10 and the diagonal, this is not 90 degrees. Okay? But between the height and the base, there's a 90 degrees, a corner, a square corner. All right? And that is very important. A half times the base times the vertical height. Now we're going to start with triangle A. So write this down. Area is equal to, let's copy this down. A is equal to, so the area of a triangle must come with a half, which is represented as 1/2. A half times the base. Now the base now is 10. So write down 10 times the height. The height is 12. The vertical height is 12. Equal. Half of 10 is 5. 5 times 12. Half of 10 is 10 divided by 2. We're splitting 10 into 2 halves, 5 and 5. So half of 10 is 5. So we have 5 times 12. And 5 times 12 now is 12 5 times. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. 5 12s. 5 times 12 is 5 12. Okay, 12 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to add 5 12s is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you carry down your 0. And remember, you have to carry up the 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 1 that was carried will give us 6. So 5 12s will give us 60. So the area of triangle A is 60 centimeters squared. The units for area is squared. Always put the units in squared. So the area of triangle A is 60 centimeters squared. Okay, let's go over that again. Area of a triangle is half times base times vertical height. The base of triangle is 10, the height is 12. So it's a half times 10 times 12. A half of 10 is 5. So we have 5 times 12, and 5 times 12 means 5 12s. 12 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12s. And then you add it up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 1 0, carried on with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember the 1 we carried over. That will give us 5 plus 1 is 6, 60 centimeters squared. That's the area of triangle A. So we are moving on to triangle B now. So copy this down. Area is equal to triangle B. It's another triangle, so we must start with a half. The formula for area of triangle always comes with a half times. The base is 6. Normally the base is horizontal, lying down flat. The base is 6, half of 6, and the height, the vertical height is 15, half of 6. A half times 6 times 15 equal. A half of 6 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If you split 6 in 2 halves, you have a 3 and a 3. So half of 6 is 3 times 15. 3 times 15 is 3 15ths. Okay, so copy this down. Half of 6 times 15, and that will give us 3 times 15. Now, what is 3 15ths? 15 3 times. 15 plus 15 plus 15. Okay, that's 3 15ths. Now, to add it up now, we have 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So write down the 5 and we carry the 1. Then when there's a 1 carried, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus the 1 we carried will give us 4. So the area of triangle B is 45 centimeters squared. Okay. Right. So the area of triangle A is 60 centimeters squared, and the area of triangle B is 45 centimeters squared. Always remember the area of a triangle is half. It always comes with a half. Don't never forget the half for triangle. When you think of area of triangle, think of a half and then times base times height, vertical height. Half times base times vertical height, area of a triangle.